If you've ever seen my videos before, you'll probably be wondering why you're looking at a picture of a boat. That's because Teresa and I, we bought a little sailing boat. It's down in Sydney at the moment, getting some work done on it, and we're going to have to sail it back up to the Gold Coast soon. But with that in mind, it's got a few things that need doing on it. Everything that's on the top needs sealing from the weather, and there's some really old stuff. It's a 1981 Swanson 28 foot. One of the sails that came with it was covered in mildew, as you can see there. So after a bit of research, we come up with the best option of putting that particular sail in the pool for 2.5 days, as it turned out, which, considering the chlorine levels in the pool, gave us a really good result. There's a couple of things about the boat. It's got a 25 litre poly tank, fuel tank. The other one's been decommissioned, and I'm going to have to figure out a way that I can increase that. Also, you know, there's barnacles all over it, and there's a bit of osmosis, which I'm going to have to cut back. All that's going to come in the future. We're going to do some excellent DIY videos for you guys, if at all interested. As you can see there, that sail came up nice and clean. I wouldn't say perfect. So considering I didn't have to do any scrubbing at all, just throw it in the pool, give it a bit of a jig with the pool pole, and take it out and let it dry for a day or so. 9 out of 10 result, easy. I recommend it. So maybe keep an eye out for some future videos. We're going to be posting a video of us sailing it back from Sydney to the Gold Coast, and that will either be terrifying or heaps and heaps of fun, depending on how it all pans out, I suppose. Hopefully lots of fun. And after that, DIY, so getting this little boat back in good shape, and that should be hopefully informative.